So now we're here at the marina exploring IJmuiden.
Yeah, so today so first sail.
Welcome aboard our home, a custom-built aluminum sailboat sailing into the unknown. This is us, Odette and Timo, and of course our much-loved cat Milo. Come and sail with us and explore the adventure together. Please subscribe below. So we just went through the locks, IJmuiden locks. Then we sailed to the marina of IJmuiden. So now we're here at the marina. We also put diesel in our tanks. So I think now we have like 600-700 liters in our tank. So yes, we're all full and stocked up. So we encountered some little problems on our way, like the AIS didn't work properly. We had some little problem with the AIS. So the AIS is something that sends out our information to other ships so they can see us. And then we have a code with it. It's called the MMSE code. But the funny thing was that it didn't match up. So some places said that we were somewhere where we weren't. So it sends out the GPS coordinates and as well as how long we are and where we're going and stuff like that. But finally it works, so we're pretty happy. It works, and yeah, I think we're good to go now because all the things that we really needed to do for safety and stuff like that are now done, and now it's just tidying up. So, and after work we're gonna explore. We went for a walk in the dunes of IJmuiden.
We found German bunkers from the Second World War. Checking things out.
Empty chair, I was there, and I ordered your favorite, running late again. Oh, it was new to me, and I didn't know better. Stale air, vacant stairs. Oh, you came around and washed me clean with a glance. You touched my hand and made my fingertips dance. I've heard the words you said a couple times before, but it sounds different. Oh.
This is my first time that we go out on the ocean. Yes, pretty exciting. First time at sea! Ooh. A couple of days before we left, the weather in Holland was pretty bad. That is why the sea is this rough. at this time.
Oh, no, you would see on my face.
This was our first time at sea. We were really happy and excited. But after half an hour, I got really seasick because the waves were really high. The boat was rocking from side to side. For me, this was not the best time to be at sea. So T had to sail and steer the boat by himself.
Yeah, so today, so first sail. And OT is already quite seasick. So we're thinking about going in somewhere. Like not bike, but so sunny. So we will definitely we go further. Yeah, I don't want to have the cat and already be afraid of sailing in the future.
So a couple tips for seasickness: don't drink alcohol, don't drink or eat any sugary stuff, and take some pills. Besides that, ginger really helps. So just a couple of tips from somebody who knows to be seasick.
Yeah, we are approaching Katwijk. Do I have to go straight through them? Or pass them on the left side, which I'm gonna do, but on the AIS I see many sailboats sailing right through them, but the thing is that they block a lot of wind, of course, so I expect some weird angles, but so far it's still going strong. So I will have a quick shot on how oil tankers. Anyways, if you need some crude oil, you can find it over here.
In the end, we ended up in Scheveningen in Holland.
Sorry about the 2 people who wanted to go sailing. Well, one and all. We are exploring the Hague. We are exploring the Hague. In helicopter.